What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. You may ask me why I'm so happy right now and my truck looks like this. Transfer case ratchet strapped, trans open, drill bits, torches, vacuum. And I'm supposed to be leaving for Daytona in like 12 hours. And time is it actually? Yeah, like 12 hours. But guess what? My new factory trans seal won't be here till 7 a.m. But in the meantime, what am I taking from this moment? This is a learning experience. And I've even called Kelderman. They're like, yo, we've never done a manual trans. I've got no idea. So I'm sitting here like, okay, well, I guess I'm the first manual trans on a gigantic lift from Kelderman. That being said, it's just a learning experience. I'm going through the motions here. I'm confident that I'm gonna drill this spacer out that I shoved in there. We're gonna get it out, and we're gonna be in Daytona. I'm confident because you know everything happens for a reason, and this is just like I got good vibes about this one. I honestly do. So we're gonna keep busting this out. I got other stuff to do today as well. Still gotta finish putting the hitch on. Gotta do some more paint work, as you saw last night. Gotta paint those stars. My drive shafts are all silver. It's just a rough paint job with what time I had left. But yeah, I'm gonna stick you guys up in there because I don't want to crawl under again. But yes, I can sit underneath this truck on this crate and work on it. But here's what I'm dealing with. As you see, I drilled those 2 holes because that spacer is so tight. I needed some relief. I've got like millimeters of clearance before I mess something up like the trans case. So I'm taking it easy. I'm gonna get a pry bar in there and hopefully I can bend it out now, especially with the top and bottom drilled like that. So let's cross our fingers and we'll figure it out and we'll be in Daytona. I promise. Looks like a little bit of time has passed. That's right, guys. Also got a haircut in the meantime, but it is dark out, obviously, so it is, oh, now it's light. It's 10:01 p.m. I started that at 2. Spacer came out at about 6-ish, so, wait. No, I started that at 2. Spacer came out about 8-ish, and then I went and got some dinner, so it's now 10. So it took me about 6 hours to get this out. This is what is supposed to be a seal adapter for the manual trans. However, it honestly just caused havoc, to be honest with you. Yeah, not good. And look at that's how I got it out, through drilling, grinding, tapping, pry bar. Yeah, but it's out now. So at 7 a.m. I can pick up the new rear seal, factory seal, for that trans at a dealership here in Ohio. Gonna go pick that up. They had to order it in because obviously manual transits are not common, so they ordered it in. It'll be there in the morning. I'm gonna pick that up. However, right now, I mean, it's cold and dark out, but if I don't get a head start on this hitch, or at least painting these stars, we're gonna be really pushed for time. I still don't know if I put the factory seal in, I can't guarantee it won't be leaking. So, you know, that's about where I'm at, to be honest. Yeah. Oh, ow. But yeah, that's about where I'm at. I hope that I can put the factory seal in and, you know, it'll be good. I'll start the truck up and run it without the transfer case in there, I guess. But in the meantime, I'm going to take these stars off, get them painted, and maybe attempt to start my hitch. Because obviously if I'm driving to Florida, I'm towing. So, yeah. Okay, so we got the stars off the side of the suspension. Yeah, I don't know why they powdered these purple, but they look dope. However, kind of blends in with each other. So I'm going to sand the front of this off and shoot it silver, just like my drive shafts over there. So I'm going to shoot that, and then we'll be able to get that back on the suspension in the morning. Now I don't need these to be like like a top-notch paint job. They're just gonna make Florida, so some automotive primer. Alright, guys, I am beat. I mean, I'm literally beat. I was underneath that truck for 6 hours, sitting there today. I'm ready to fall asleep. And I still gotta put my hitch on, which I'm probably, I may drop the spare at least tonight, but I'm probably gonna postpone the hitch till the morning, which is gonna be nuts, but okay. So 2 coats are done. I honestly just walked over here, grabbed the camera, and then realized that I've got this hitch star I need to do as well. So I'm gonna take that star off in a minute, but I'm going to go to the store. I'm gonna go to Walmart. That's the only thing that's open at this hour. I gotta go pick up some things and let this paint dry. Come back, clean out the rest of that trans. I'm gonna actually get a blower nozzle for my air compressor because it's aluminum that I drilled, so all the little shavings, they don't attract to a magnet. So we're gonna keep rolling, I guess. Dude, this is crazy. This is absolutely insane, especially because Daytona I should be leaving tomorrow. Absolutely insane. Okay, well, yeah, completely forgot. I was gonna do an oil change on my truck before I left for Daytona, so $85 later, we're gonna go home. It's 11:30 p.m. and I'm probably gonna stay up and edit this video and then do the trans seal in the morning. This is gonna be wild. Oh boy, this is about to, there we go, be a long night. Okay, so I mean, you're gonna be like, how are you gonna do the oil filter? Ooh, yes, don't worry, I did buy the cap. I gotta go get it right now. Okay, so on Amazon there is a Dodge dealer that sells this package for like $103. Comes with the oil filter, fuel filter, and the other fuel filter. But yes, we're gonna be taking care of all of these right now, I guess. Yeah, this late at night as well. This is gonna be interesting. First things first is, I guess we'll do the oil filter. That should be super simple, especially with it being this tall. I can just sit underneath it and collect all the oil. So a lot of you are going to ask what oil I went with. I went with the Shell Rotella 15W40. A lot of people use AMSOIL, Rotella, or they use the Valvoline Premium Blue. I used the Shell Rotella on my 5.9, so didn't have any problems. Did great, so we're gonna roll with that. It's like 20 bucks a gallon. Wow, that's ridiculous now that I think about it. Personally, I don't think that should have been that tough, even with oil filter pliers. That sucker was on there tight, and this thing has 12,000 miles on it. I mean, first oil change, and I get the service interval is 15,000, but just want to give it fresh fluids before Daytona. But also, that was on tight. So look at the grip I had on that filter trying to get this off. But there's the purpose of the cap. So you can pull it out the wheel well without spilling it everywhere, which is super nice. Got this on Amazon, it was like 10 bucks, but yeah, that filter was like on there tight, boys. And we keep, it's like probably Arcus on the battery. Okay. Oh. All right, so as the night continues here, down there you can see the fuel bowl. We're just gonna get a ratchet in there, and I'm guessing it's a 24 mil. These are known and prone to break, so take it easy. Okay, so that lid was on extremely tight as well. That is actually mind-blowing. I mean, that was really tight for what it was. So I eventually want to look into getting I eventually want to look into getting the cat fuel filter over here, and with the rear too. So that's definitely gonna be one of the next mods, because this is Don't really like this. Don't forget, your new fuel filter comes with a new O-ring. Take this off, throw this away, put the new one on. Every time, whether this is dry rotted or not, just it comes with a new one, replace it. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna put that in. I think the rear one just screws off. So we'll take a look at that. And then I think we're gonna try and clean some of this stuff up and then go get some sleep so we can get up early and go get that trans seal at the dealer. All right guys, brought everything in from outside. We just got a mess of stuff here. Lots of parts, lots of things everywhere. Gonna be up in a couple hours, go pick up that trans seal. My buddy's gonna be here, we're gonna throw the T-case in, we're gonna get the hitch on, and hopefully everything is good to go for Daytona. We should be good, we should be good. That's the plan here guys. I'm gonna shut this down. If you enjoyed this video, stay tuned because Daytona is gonna be awesome. Whether the truck makes it or not, it will be a fun time. Lots of trucks, lots of builds, lots of crazy things, lots of you guys there. So if you've been here before, please get down there, click subscribe, shoot this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Take care, and I will see you guys hopefully in Daytona.